I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings.
Tethering floor level, so we need to put a lot of stones, cutters, fixing 36 height, 48 width. So this is the progress for today and for yesterday. This area here, and also back there, and also there. So this one will be removed, and then this is the floor. This is the floor level. So we need to put a lot of stones here, and then soil to dump here. Wow, it's huge. A lot of work. And also this one. And right here is ongoing.
Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I would remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that
Heavy rain, guys. You can't see the roads anymore.
Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you.
Broken.
Always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day.
So this is the truck back cover. Looks like this right now. I got broken because heavy metals above this. We can still fix this. Yeah.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I would remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget But can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on.
So this is the progress for today. They put cement here. This is the firewall. And here, yep. And that would be my back door. So almost finished the firewall. And let's look at in the front. So this would be a wall. And this is my window. And right here, this is my window, and that's the door. Yep. Yay! And then next week, they will put flooring here, cement. Nice. So this would be my road. Yeps. Lots of stone, you know. There's a lot of big stones in this area. So this is it. Yeah, that one. This one. Lots of stones again. This is a window. This is my window. Wow. This window size 48 width, and then height for 36 inches. Also this one 36 height and 48 inches width. And I also have window here. All in all, have 4 windows. So I have windows here, same size. And also still missing, you see that? And also right here I have window for the same size, 48 by 36. And this area is a firewall, and this would be my back door right there. So this is my back door, and my room starts here from there. This one would be removed, including this one, and also right here would be removed also. And this room size 20 by 20 feet. So 20, 20. And this one until this one, this area, 16 feet. It's too early to eat, guys. Wow, they're growing. Baby chicks. So we have a lot of big stones right here. This one, I think it can, we can put this one there. And the big stones will be in the area where it's deeper. And also look at this one. Yeah, I think it's fine because the level of the cement is from here, like that. Yeah, my room is a little elevated than the billiards. We're still thinking what kind of roof we are going to put here, but I have a few pictures. And this one, this is the, you see the roof right there? The black roof, that would be the gate. I have a little of space here because the lot is not straight. I want something 1 meter distance from the gate and my room. And right here we are going to add more stones to level from this area, like that. Yep. Hi chicks, you hungry na? You hungry na? Sana tay? Sana? So my father's fixing DVD. So messy, as in. So I have here floor plan. You see this one? Yeah, I'll put a picture. This floor plan is that one. That will be my room. This would be my room. And right here, not yet finished, this is the main floor plan at the billiards all over. You see, this is the billiards, and this is the big space where my father's TV, broken TV, and then this would be my mom's room. This would be our dining room, and this would be extra room for my sister if she wants to stay here. And this would be sports area. Like I will put basketball coins, like arcade, and also some dartboard, some ping pong table, air hockey. What else? Inside sports. And this area would be my father's shop right here. That's the all floor plan. So this one, this is still available. So I'm going to draw it properly when I get home. So I just put some feet sizes, so I'll know my design. I mean the lot area. Say dali tayo. The jealous James. Come on, come here. So I'm eating some banana. This is our snack. I'm going home to my sister's house. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos and for more construction videos and house building updates. Thank you so much for all of my Patreon supporters, because I use your pledge to continue this project for my parents and of course for myself, and yeah, to achieve our dreams. Thank you. Bye. So I have a new package arrived today. This is all $7.67. Let's see. Oh, underwear. So I was trying to order some underwear online because I couldn't find some good underwear here. This is not sponsored from Bench. Not sponsored, yeah. Let's see. Some panties are like really large for me, so let's see. This is like large for me. It's really big, It's really big. This is not small. So my panty size is extra small for Bench brand. So this is the mid-rise bikini. So this is too big for me, but I think it's okay. It's also too large. So my Bench panty size is extra small. This is big. This black is my regular panty, and I compared here. It's too big. Extra size here and extra size here. That's why it looks big. And also, let's try this one. Let's compare. See that? It's very small. Extra. I don't know. Let's try. So the white one was okay, especially here because there's strong garter. So while this one doesn't have strong elastic, so a little bit loose right here at the top. I think it's because this is for 5 pieces. The price $249, while this one for 3 pieces price $319. So, and this one's $200 but 5 pieces. That's why it's low quality. But anyway, at least I have new panties now.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.